This exercise is an awesome combination of core strength firing, glute strength, and head, neck, and chin alignment. For this exercise, you are going to need a light resistance band, foam roller, or ball if you don't have a foam roller. And you're going to want to put your resistance band on your arms just above the elbows and push out just enough to keep your chest from firing and to feel it in the back of your shoulders. Place a foam roller on the wall under your wrists, keeping your elbows about shoulder width apart, and your hands will always be closer to the wall than your elbows, and the band will help you kind of keep your arms in place. Now, the positioning is much like a standing tall wall plank, and this is going to be really great again for activating that core muscle. So really focus on that core. So stand tall, lean forward, lift your heels up a bit, and bring your ribs in and down with your chin tucked. Squeeze the glutes, reach up through the top of your head, and keep your back in line with your body. Reach up to the ceiling and back down again, allowing the arms on the foam roller as you kind of go up and down the wall. And make sure that your ribs stay down and don't flare out. Roll as high as you can back and forth, doing about 10 before taking a break.